Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the final MOT advisory on my little Civic, which is the fuel filler neck and it's rotten. Now I'll jump under here and I will show you exactly what I mean, and I'll also put a bit of a clearer picture on the screen now. You can see there, that's the fuel filler neck. She's a rotten old bugger, and today we're going to be fixing that with the one and only, I just headbutted the bumper there, with the one and only Cure Rust, which literally converts rust in 15 minutes. We're not going to be painting it today, obviously, because it's freezing cold. Well, no, it's not cold because I'm in shorts. But yeah, we're going to be painting that tomorrow, hopefully when it's above 10 degrees C, which it does need to be above 10 degrees C. So without further ado, let's crack this open, get the brush, wire brush it all down and paste this all over it. So yeah, see you under there. Okay, so I've given it a quick wire brush. There's not a great deal of difference, it's just to get the surface crap off it really. You can see there's a little pile of stuff that's come off it there. Now it's time to apply the Cure Rust. I did have to convert that a little bit short because the battery on the GoPro is running a bit low, so this part of it's going to be a bit short, but we'll have some chunky bits in there tomorrow when we paint it. Right, so I think that's the entire area covered that we need to cover. I'll just get my flashlight out just to check if I've missed anywhere. I think I've just, yeah, there's just a little bit at the top there. Other than that, I don't think I've missed anywhere, so I'll get that coated on and I'll cut back to what it looks like in 15 minutes when it's hopefully converted the rust. Okay, so it's just about getting dark on us now, and the Cure Rust has started to take effect. I've put it in a couple of other areas as well. It works phenomenally well, so I'm just going to let it take effect for the rest of the night now. Like I said, it's getting dark, and I'm going to come back in the morning. If there's a little bit more that needs to be applied, we've got some more here, got plenty more, so I'll just whack it on. But yeah, that's it for tonight, and we'll resume again tomorrow morning. So I'm back a couple of days later after the paint's all cured set. I've lacquered it, as you saw in the last clip, and I'm really pleased with the outcome. It's done really well. I've done that little patch there, and that looks almost as good as the actual fuel filler neck itself. So yeah, that's basically how the hell you repair your fuel neck on any car. If it was helpful to you, please leave a like, subscribe for more, and yeah, this marks the end of the major repairs on the Civic. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.